Life as an entropic anomaly is not an isolated system, but is deeply intertwined with its surrounding environment. The evolutionary trajectory of life is significantly influenced by the entropic conditions of its environment. Just as altering water temperature can catalyze the formation of a hurricane, changes in the entropic balance of an environment can drive the evolutionary adaptations of life forms within it. Entropic anomalies such as living organisms are continually engaged in an entropy exchange with their environment. This exchange is crucial for the maintenance and evolution of life. By absorbing and dissipating entropy, organisms can influence and in turn are influenced by the entropic state of their surroundings. This dynamic interaction underpins the fundamental processes of life, from energy metabolism to genetic expression. Entropic anomalies, such as living organisms, are continually engaged in an entropy exchange with their environment. This exchange is crucial for the maintenance and evolution of life. By absorbing and dissipating entropy, organisms can influence and in turn are influenced by the entropic state of their surroundings. This dynamic interaction underpins the fundamental processes of life, from energy metabolism to genetic expression. Unnatural entropic inputs. The introduction of electromagnetic or EM pollution, particularly from wireless technology, represents an unprecedented increase in the entropic load of our environment. This form of entropic waste disrupts the natural entropy balance, introducing new dynamics that living systems are forced to adapt to or suffer from. Forcing evolutionary changes. The alteration of the natural electromagnetic environment can be likened to introducing a foreign substance into an ecosystem. Just as pollutants can force rapid, often detrimental adaptations in biological organisms, so too can the pervasive spread of EM radiation force changes in the biological and possibly evolutionary responses of exposed organisms. Among the various forms of pollution affecting our planet today, EM pollution from wireless technologies stands out as one of the most significant contributors to entropic waste. This pollution does not merely add physical substances to the environment, but alters the fundamental entropic landscape in which all life operates. The implications of this alteration are profound, affecting everything from cellular communication processes to broader ecological systems. Understanding the role of the entropic environment in shaping life underscores the critical need to manage and mitigate the impacts of EM pollution. As the largest contributor to entropic waste, the unchecked proliferation of wireless technology poses a significant risk, not only to our health, but also to the evolutionary trajectory of life on Earth. It's imperative that we recognize and address these challenges, ensuring that our technological advancements do not outpace our ecological and health considerations. Bridging physics and biology, RF Safe's mission to protect future generations. In today's technology-driven world, we often overlook the subtle impacts of our advancements, particularly those related to electromagnetic (EM) radiation. As the founder of RF Safe, I, John Coates, have spent over 2 decades exploring the biological impacts of EM radiation, driven by a personal tragedy that has profoundly influenced both my life and work. This blog discusses how RF Safe aims to mitigate what I term entropic waste, the unseen pollution from wireless technology that could be impacting our health and environment. RF Safe's genesis and mission. Founded in the late 1990s, RF Safe was born out of a personal loss so profound that it altered the course of my professional and personal life. My daughter, Angel Lee Coates, was born with a neural tube defect, NTD, a severe condition linked to EM radiation exposure. Her brief life inspired a solemn vow to combat the hidden dangers of EM pollution. RF Safe has grown into a beacon for those seeking to understand and mitigate the risks associated with electromagnetic fields, EMF. By providing critical information and innovative shielding technologies, RF Safe has become a trusted ally in the fight against EM pollution, helping individuals protect themselves from the potential dangers of excessive EM exposure. Understanding entropic waste and EM pollution. Entropic waste, as conceptualized through the innovative Genesis framework, refers to the degradation of environmental quality due to dispersed energy from electronic devices, particularly cell phones. This form of electromagnetic pollution contributes to what can be described as an entropic shock to our biological systems, akin to the disruption caused by environmental pollutants, energy dispersion, and environmental impact. Cell phones and other wireless devices emit RF radiation that disperses energy into the environment, contributing to electromagnetic smog. This dispersion is not just a physical phenomenon but also an informational one, where excessive signals potentially interfere with biological processes. Health implications, the continuous evolution of wireless technology and the corresponding increase in EM pollution have raised concerns about the long-term health effects of RF radiation. Studies have suggested possible links to various health issues, including cancer and neurodegenerative diseases, highlighting the need for more stringent safety standards and protective measures. The Genesis Framework, a new paradigm. The Genesis Framework, developed as part of my commitment to this cause, seeks to unify the principles of physics with the intricate processes of biological development. This framework aims to provide a deeper understanding of how environmental EM fields affect bioelectric potentials that are crucial during critical developmental windows, such as embryogenesis. Role of bioelectric potentials. Bioelectric signals are vital for the proper development of embryonic structures. Disruptions in these signals, potentially caused by EM pollution, can lead to developmental anomalies and long-term health issues. Promising directions. By advancing our understanding of how EM fields interact with biological systems, we hope to develop technologies that not only protect but also optimize these critical developmental processes against various environmental challenges. Conclusion and call to action. The journey of RF Safe is not just about advancing technology, but about fostering a safer world where technological progress does not come at the cost of health and well-being. As we continue to delve deeper into the effects of electromagnetic radiation, our mission remains clear: to educate, protect, and innovate. We invite you to join us in this critical conversation about EM pollution and support efforts to reduce entropic waste in our environments. Together we can work towards a future where technology and health coexist in harmony. Be RF safe, to be sure.